You can use data validation to permit only certain types of data to be entered into a cell.
For example, if we had a user input cell and we only wanted them to enter values between 0 and 100, we could use data validation to help with this. So if we bring up data validation with the shortcut Alt-A-V-V, we can allow them to enter only whole numbers between 0 and 100. Now if they go here and they try to enter 10, that's fine. But if they try to enter -1, it's a negative number. And if they try to enter 101, it won't work because it's too high. Now to assist with this, you can add an input message. The title will be in bold, so we can say something like note and only enter values between 0 and 100. So now a user, whenever they select that cell, they'll be told what to enter in there, and it can give them a clue of what they should enter.